2014 Machine Vapor unboxing. One thing you'll notice is that it has a hard case, and one thing they did this year was really paid attention to detail. They put their logo on basically everything on the case. So you have it marked right here with vapor. You get your barrel plug marked with vapor, your carbon fiber wrapped aluminum cord barrel back, which is autococker threaded 691, and it's also engraved with machine vapor. And then you have your barrel tip, which is 14 inches. Have your parts kit, 2x rebuild O-ring set, breech, or some people call it eye cover, similar to dye. You have lube, which you really need to use very sparingly. Manual, which tells you everything you need to know, so you just plug in the computer, and is also branded with machine. Has like pretty much everything in here. Allen key set, which is not ball-pointed like Egos or whatever, and is branded with machine. Eye, or extra set of eye. And you have the vapor. One thing you'll notice is that it has, like pretty much every gun on the market, is a quick release bolt system, clamping, low rise feed neck, integrated gas through regulator, Ape Rampage Generation 4 LED, a venting cam ASA, and basically a grip, which is branded with machine, and that comes stock. And so let's take apart the bolt. So all you have to do is just push this up, and then you'll just take it out. So the bolt is super milled down, as you can see, and it has colored O-rings, so you'll know which O-ring you can put to which. You have your back cap or bolt pin, drive train, or drive can, my bad, front can, and bolt. And you can take apart the drive, or the can from the bolt, and then you just screw this in here. And push that down. So one thing you want to notice is that that bone looking thing right there, those are your eyes. So the breech basically covers the eyes, so you'll never ever have to clean your eyes. And you don't really need to clean the bolt after every 8,000 shots or so. And let me get barrels. They're not reverse threaded right here. Here's the vapor all together. And with the barrel and battery, it weighs 1 pound, 15 ounces. And the Lux weighs 2 pounds and 2 ounces. And the DM14 weighs 2 pounds and 5.4 ounces. So the vapor is about 1 pound less than pretty much all the other high-end guns that it will be competing with. And I have a Tequila Sunrise, a fade on it, and that's $1,250, and I don't know what that is in Canadian money or any money like that. So one thing they did this year is that you don't need a low pressure tank, which is really good because last year or the year before that, basically people didn't know that it was a low pressure gun, so they would put their high pressure guns on it and it would just totally mess up the gun. And included is the Ape Rampage board, Generation 4 LED, which is super simplified. So all you have to do is turn it on, and these are your eyes. So that's the solenoid clicking, and then to turn it off, just press that. Thank you.